Okay, welcome back. Let's go ahead and do an Enum source converter. I wasn't going to do this, but it does make some sense. The only problem with a Enum source converter, with the way you bind it to the combo box or list box item source, it can cause an infinite loop if you don't bind it correctly. So I will show you how to correctly bind it, and I'll actually show you what happens when you don't bind it correctly. Just name this the converter Enum source converter. Just add it to our converters folder. Go back here, public. Implement the interface. Right down here, we're going to return the value because we're not going to set the value, so you should never convert back. If the value is not equal to null, right down here, we'll return the value again. Jump up to the top. Let's do a pragma warning disable CS 8603. All right, down here in our actual value, all right, in our project, do an array list is equal to enum.getValues value.getType. You cannot do a type of with this. You have to do a get type. All right. Jump over to our layer control, and then our resource list, do a converters Enum source converter key. Set the name. Go ahead and compile so we get rid of that. I normally record late at night because I'm right under a bunch of airplanes, so our airway. So go ahead and get rid of our hard-coded values. Go right, well, wherever you want in the combo box and say items source is binding equal to selected item dot layer type. Okay, this is the special code. One time you have to do that. Converter is equal to static resource enum source converter. Run it. First we'll run it good, then we'll run it bad, just to see it bad. Select our value, it's good. Bam. So it's now pulling in our list of enums based on our converter. Now if we jump back over here and we get rid of one time, and you don't have to do this. I know some people freaked out about any error. So I select it and I try to select another value and it locks up on me, and then I get a Stack Overflow inception because it's actually trying to set the item source, and it's failing, and it's doing it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So if you don't put the one-time value in there, total failure. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, like and subscribe. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.